Hi everyone, welcome back to Kavita's Sugar and Spice. Cauliflower rice is getting more and more popular these days, mainly because of its health benefits, and another thing is it's a great substitute for rice. So today I'm going to show you a very basic recipe of how to make cauliflower rice. I'm using egg in this recipe. If you are a vegetarian, you can avoid that and then it's an absolute vegetarian dish. So let's start cooking. To make cauliflower rice, I have a nice big giant cauliflower here. I've washed it in hot water with little salt. So I soaked this in hot water for like 10 minutes and now this is all set. What we have to do next is we have to cut this like into tiny pieces like this. Or another thing that you can do is cut this cauliflower into pieces, and you can put it in a chopper if you have one, and basically you can make the cauliflower rice in the chopper. So let me cut this and get the cauliflower rice ready. We have our cauliflower rice ready here. It's almost 5 cups of cauliflower. I have a pan here. Going to add some oil. Add my onions. That's one big onion chopped. Let me add some salt to speed up the process. Once the onions are translucent, we can add our ginger garlic paste. Not paste actually, I just crushed it. So 1 tablespoon each of ginger garlic. Let's cook it until the raw smell goes. Let's check our onions and ginger garlic. Looks like they are perfect. Raw smell is gone. Next we are going to add 3 colors of peppers. All red, green and yellow. Now we can cook it for like 3 or 4 minutes. That should be enough. So cover it and cook it. You don't want to overcook it and lose the beautiful color of the peppers. Now this should be almost cooked. Give it a stir and we can add our cauliflower rice into this. Mix it well. You can either add a 1/4 cup of water, or if you think there is water from the pepper and onions and all, you don't have to, you shouldn't actually add more water because then it will become all mushy. So at this point, give it a stir and cover it and cook it for another 3 or 4 minutes. Or until the cauliflower is cooked. Let's check it. I think it should be done. Yeah, it's perfectly cooked. I did not add any water, but I just cooked it in the very low flame. Next, what we are going to do is make a well like this. Reduce the flame. Add a teaspoon of oil in the middle. And I'm going to add this egg mixture. So I have I took 5 eggs. I decide on the number of eggs depending on the number of cups of cauliflower we have. So we had 5 cups of cauliflower. So I decided to take 5 eggs. So we have to scramble this. Our egg is almost cooked. When it's like almost cooked, we are going to mix it with the rice. Reduce the flame. Mix it. That way the egg and the rice get mixed well, get the they can exchange the flavor. Okay, so that's mixed well. At this point we are going to add our soy sauce. Remember, this is the reason we did not add too much salt in the beginning. After adding the soy sauce, we can check the salt, and then we can add more salt if required. Let me transfer this into a serving bowl. I have garnished the cauliflower rice with some spring onions. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye bye.